Even WWE sounds tired of rematches on Raw. Here's a reminder: the folks who write about what WWE television for the company's official website not only aren't in the writer's room or at booking meetings for Raw and SmackDown. They're pretty much just fans with writing skills. So basically me, but with writing skills. Or maybe I'm projecting. But I can almost hear the sighs behind the headlines for the two matches which have been announced at the last minute for the North. 5 Raw from Manchester, England. They're both things we'd just seen in the last couple weeks, in one case multiple times. You can really feel that once again in the news of the third Finn Balor vs Bobby Lashley match in the last 3 weeks, can't you? Be exasperated along with the rest of us in tonight's live blog.